In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Evernote. Whether you're taking quick notes, drafting an article, or organizing research, the font you use can make a big difference in how readable and enjoyable your notes are. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to change the font for any text inside a note in Evernote's editor. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Evernote in your browser or desktop app and head to the note where you want to change the font. Once your note is open, look at the text you'd like to update. To get started, you need to highlight that text. Click at the beginning of the word or sentence, hold down your mouse button, and drag across until everything you want to change is selected. You'll know it's highlighted when the background behind the text is shaded. If you make a mistake, just click anywhere in the note to deselect, then try highlighting again. You can also use keyboard shortcuts, like holding Shift and using the arrow keys if you prefer a more precise selection. With your text highlighted, move your eyes up to the toolbar at the top of the note editor. You should see the current font name displayed there, usually something standard like a default sans serif or serif name. This is the control that lets you pick a different font. Click directly on that font name. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear showing you a list of available fonts. Now it's time to choose the style you want. Scroll through the font list slowly and look for a typeface that matches the mood or purpose of your note. For example, you might want a clean, modern font for work-related notes, or something more relaxed for personal journaling. When you find one you like, simply click on the font name in the list. As soon as you click, Evernote will apply that font to the text you highlighted earlier. Take a moment to look back at your note and make sure the updated font looks the way you expected. If it doesn't, just highlight the text again and repeat the process, trying a different option until you're happy with the result.